The gig economy is a lie. It was designed to turn your time into pennies, but a new system is emerging right under the surface. I'm going to show you 3 specific AI-powered micro-gigs you can start today for free that turn a $5 task into a $50 opportunity. But the reason this works has nothing to do with working harder. It's about exploiting a specific inefficiency in the market. It starts on platforms you already know, like Fiverr and Upwork, but the game has completely changed. For a decade, the promise of the gig economy was simple: be your own boss. But the reality became a brutal race to the bottom. Millions of freelancers on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, all competing for the same logo design, the same blog post, the same data entry task. This hyper-competition pushed prices down until skilled work was being sold for pennies on the dollar. You were taught that the only way to win was to work faster and charge less. It's a system designed to burn you out. But what if the very tool supposedly killing these jobs, AI, is actually the key to unlocking a hidden, higher-paying layer of this economy? The secret isn't just using AI, it's how you sell the result.
If this idea already changes how you see your earning potential, subscribe. We decode a new part of the financial system every week. The inefficiency you can exploit is this: clients don't buy tasks, they buy outcomes. They don't know how to use AI to get what they want, and they're willing to pay a premium for a reliable result delivered fast. Your job is no longer to be the cheap laborer. Your job is to be the human strategist who leverages AI for speed and quality. Let's look at 3 examples. First, the AI-Enhanced Copywriter. The old way? A client pays you $50 to write a blog post. It takes you 4 hours of research and writing. That's $12.50 an hour. The new way? You use a free tool like ChatGPT or Claude to generate a comprehensive first draft in minutes. Your job is now to spend 30 minutes fact-checking, refining the tone, and adding unique human insights. The same $50 gig now takes a fraction of the time, pushing your effective hourly rate towards $100. You're not selling writing. You're selling a polished, fact-checked article delivered in hours, not days. But that's just text. The value gap is even bigger in visual services. Consider the rapid prototype designer. The old way? A client needs 10 social media graphics for a campaign. They'll pay $100. It takes you 5 hours in Photoshop. That's $20 an hour. The new way? You use a free tool like Microsoft Designer or Canvas AI. You type in a prompt for the campaign and it generates 20 distinct concepts in 10 minutes. The client picks their favorite 3 and you spend an hour refining them to be pixel perfect. The $100 task now takes about an hour and a half. Your rate just jumped to over $60 an hour. You're not a graphic designer. You're a creative director guiding an AI. But there's a third category that requires 0 creative skill, and it pays even better: the data summarizer. A small business owner has a 50-page market research report. They need a 1-page executive summary and will pay $150, assuming it takes a full day of reading. The new way? You upload the PDF to an AI like Claude, which can read large documents. You ask it to summarize the key findings, target demographics, and competitive threats. It produces a draft in 2 minutes. You then spend an hour verifying the key data points against the source and formatting the summary professionally. The $150 gig now takes you 1 hour. You are selling clarity and speed, not your reading time. So what does this really mean for you? The financial system of the gig economy has fundamentally changed. The value is no longer in your ability to perform a manual task. It is now in your ability to leverage a tool to deliver a superior result faster. Before, leverage meant having a team of employees or expensive software. Now, leverage is knowing the right prompt for a free AI. This is a massive democratization of earning power. The key is how you position yourself. Don't market your services as, "I use AI." No one cares about your process. Market the outcome. Get 10 unique social media designs in 24 hours. Receive a one-page summary of any report in half a day. You are the human in the loop. You provide the strategy, the quality control, and the final polish that the AI cannot. You aren't being replaced by AI. You are the one using AI to replace the old, inefficient way of working. So, is this a temporary loophole, or is this the new permanent structure of skilled work? Today, we saw how the real value in the gig economy is shifting from manual labor to AI leverage. You can use free tools to turn low-paying tasks into high-value, high-speed services. If you want to stay ahead of these shifts, subscribe. We don't just report the news, we decode the mechanics behind it so you can see the next move coming. Because next week, we're decoding how major banks are using this same AI leverage to make decisions about your mortgage application and what you can do about it. Now you see how the money really moves. Money decoded.